It's a good idea to use this bag, Freddie, because we've got lots of pockets and it reminds us of the trip to Africa, doesn't it? I'd like to experiment. I'd like to experiment using round needles on the trip, just in case those don't work. What's this? Oh, that's a bit big. Try that one, 4mm. My Sudoku book. Q&A questions for Monday's live there. Gathering up a little sewing project, a needle and some thread, a hoop, and I found this fabric. I couldn't believe it. I thought, oh, that would be lovely to make something for the holiday. So pop that in the... Right, this will fit in this pocket, threads. And I've put the needles in my mum's old pin cushion. Needle case, that's it. I knew I was after the word. My notebook. I've got lists of all the fairies people want to be. I'm going to do some more fairies. Diana wants to be the sunflower fairy. Daisy Parsley leaf fairy. Is that, who wants to be that? Samantha wants to be the dragon fairy for her son, orange and dark hair. Oh, lovely. Right, so I've got that list. Oh, this is a pile of mending. I won't take that. Here's the book that I make the fairies in. Just mixed media paper, really. There we are, in progress, so we'll do some more of that. And here's my little watercolour set. Pop that there. I've got a spare white to top up. And maybe take some shiny as well. The brush is in there, but I like to have a tiny brush as well. So, yeah, let's get that. You don't usually see the back of the desk. It's the working end of the desk where I lean over to fetch things, isn't it? They fit nicely in there. Brilliant. I'll get some... I need to go up and get some wool or yarn. Scissors from Margaret do fabric and paper. Oh, I need a pencil. Oh, Flo, what are you going to take? We never seen
is the sort of thing that goes for.
I'm here at my sock knitting class. Of course, I'm not ready to make the toe yet, but that's what we're learning, isn't it? And look at Vanessa's basket of little knitted teddies she's bought to show us today. Aren't they lovely? Absolutely gorgeous. Find some yarn to take for a little project on those round needles. Ah, yes, this is gorgeous. This was bought from me by my nephew and his girlfriend. I can't remember where they've been. Somewhere in Europe. So it's beautifully soft. So yeah, let's make something with that. Flo, you've made yourself at home in there, or taking your journal, are you? Lovely. Oh, I'd forgotten. Where's that blanket that I take every year on holiday? Oh, it used to fit in here. Where is it? I take the same thing every... That's it. This will be the 3rd year this has come. Oh, pull this out. Lovely. Oh, we're in the New Forest. We just had a little stop for a cup of tea and see if we can see some ponies. And we have. Who's over there, Fred? Can you see the ponies? Oh, you're gorgeous. Oh, whoopsie. Little foal. Oh, they're gorgeous. Oh, they're lovely, aren't they? They do belong to people, but they they just graze in the New Forest and are rounded up once a year. Gorgeous, aren't they? I don't know how big the New Forest is. Oh wow. They're very tame, aren't they, Freddie? Do you want a drink, darling? You are gorgeous.
I'm gonna have to get some for tomorrow.
People must feed them, Ben.
Yeah.
You've got all this grass to eat.
The sugar that you put in tea. I just stop at the corner and get some. I like that there.
Oh, hello. We'll probably go somewhere else for a cup of tea, do you think? Yeah, I think so. Usually get so
I guess if you know
close.
about it, you have to park in a way that you can get out.
Yeah.
Well, we were. If there weren't the two of them, we would have been. If there wasn't the bank as well.
Having a little drinky.
Some sticks. So pick this one up. He wants it. Ready? Whoa! I need that one.
Hat films, was it? And I fell
That's
asleep.
B-roll. Oh, that's B-roll. Talk about hat fit.
And then I went to sleep.
What are you eating?
A little ginger biscuit.
You just caught me in the forest. Having a cup of tea. Just what the chances?
As you do. Having a cup of tea.
Cup of tea in the
In
forest.
the New Forest, yeah.
It's the forest. We're meeting with some fairies. There's some fairies over there, Mum, I've heard.
Oh, is there? Oh, is that
Bit of
where
a
they're
horde of fairies.
housed? No ponies here. Thank goodness.
No.
We're townies, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're not used to them. Oh dear. You got it the wrong
So
way
you
around,
don't
really.
you don't get 1 second clips with me. You get minute long clips. Ready? It's going that way, Fred. It's going that way.
Teasing him.
It's not hard to baffle with this ball.
A baffly ball.
It's clever clothes.
It's over there.
No, it's not.
Look at his toe.
I thought I was going to cry at it because you couldn't get it.
Boy.
And he dropped in your tea.
Mr. Chiefy the donkey, Mr. Thicker. Yeah, Thicker. He's what we said in the car park.
Yeah, cargo.
It wasn't open last time.
Oh, I'm just showing little Flo, and we've arrived at our little holiday cottage now.
What are you doing, Mum?
I'm winding up my wool.
It looks like you're trying to take these chairs hostage. And here's Freddie. But you're not. You're winding up wool.
I'm winding up
Yeah.
my. What is it, Sam? What? Baby alpaca,
Oh.
cashmere. Oh, baby and silk from Norway. HS Angel. It's going to take.
So what
a
is it
while.
then? It goes from
Purple,
Blue to green to
greens.
purple.
It's really lovely. Look, it looks like candy almost, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Yeah.
Pastel-y colours. They match. It's
Very-
matching the mugs from
Very
the.
whimsical.
Yes, thank you.
And what are you
that-
planning to make with this?
Do you know? I don't know. I've got 100
Okay.
grams.
Okay.
And do you know? It might be a round scarf on the round needles, or
Okay.
it might be just like
Sophie scarf?
Sophie scarf. I could
You
make.
do seem to be addicted to Sophie
Sophie
scarves.
scarves. Yes, yes. You
Why are you having to do that? Because
I don't know. Wool tends to come in these. Do you call them hanks? I'm not sure.
Tom Hanks.
But wool. When I was a little girl, wool always used to come like this, and people,
Ah.
the dads used to sit there and open their arms out like that. And I've seen someone online get this on a swirly. This is a long hand. Get it on a swirly chair and
Oh, that's
an
a good
office
idea.
chair. And put
That's a good idea.
isn't that a good idea?
This looks like admin though. Right, I'm gonna.
But it's fish and chips.
Right, Mum's gonna drive off without us. Oh, she knows we're recording. This is B-roll. This is good B-roll, actually. Let's see if we can get her to run. Oh, she's running.
You did Daddy's Clubs, they do like an hour long.
Yeah, I know, yeah. Mum, run back! Run! Oh, here comes Freddie.